Garlic is commonly used to treat blood vessel disease and high blood pressure. It is important to consult your doctor if you have heart or blood vessel disease or high blood pressure before using odor-free garlic. Some herbal or dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's important to check with your pharmacist for more information about the specific brand you are using. It's also important to note that the FDA has not reviewed odor-free garlic for safety or effectiveness, so it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. As for the daily dosage, the recommended amount can vary depending on the specific product, so it's important to follow the instructions on the label or consult with a healthcare professional. Additionally, the optimal time to take odor-free garlic can vary, but some sources suggest taking it with food to minimize the risk of stomach upset. Simply take this odor-free garlic product by mouth as directed on the package. Be sure to follow all the directions provided. If you have any questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If your condition doesn't improve or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical assistance. Always prioritize your health and well-being. It is important to note that odor-free garlic may still cause some side effects. These can include bad breath and body odor, as well as stomach upset or heartburn. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, if you experience any serious side effects such as easy or unusual bruising or bleeding, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately. While it is rare, a serious allergic reaction to odor-free garlic can occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing, it is important to get medical help right away. It is important to keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, and if you notice any other effects not listed here, it is crucial to contact your doctor or pharmacist for advice. As with any medication, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before use, and to follow their recommendations regarding dosage and timing. Before taking odor-free garlic, it is important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to garlic or any other ingredients in the product. This includes discussing any inactive ingredients that may cause allergic reactions. If you have bleeding or clotting problems, stomach or abdominal issues, or are planning to have surgery, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before using odor-free garlic. It's also important to limit alcohol while using this product, as it can worsen stomach upset and bleeding problems. If you are diabetic, have alcohol dependence, or liver disease, it's recommended to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before using odor-free garlic. Additionally, this product is not recommended for use during pregnancy, so it's important to consult with your doctor before using it. If you are breastfeeding, it's also important to consult with your doctor before using odor-free garlic. When taking odor-free garlic, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This product may interact with medications such as protease inhibitors, non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, isoniazid, and medications or herbal products that may increase your risk of bleeding. It can also affect the removal of other medications from your body, including acetaminophen, azole antifungals, chlorzoxazone, and calcium channel blockers. Additionally, if you are taking low doses of aspirin for heart attack or stroke prevention, it's important to continue taking it, but consult your doctor for more details. It's also important to note that odor-free garlic may decrease the effectiveness of hormonal birth control, potentially leading to pregnancy. It's recommended to use additional reliable birth control methods while using this medication, and to consult your doctor if you experience any new spotting or breakthrough bleeding. If someone has taken too much odor-free garlic and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek emergency medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. It's important to follow up with your healthcare provider to monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to take a dose of odor-free garlic, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing odor-free garlic, it's important to check the storage information on the package. If you're unsure about how to store it, you can always ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's crucial to keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. It's important to note that medications should not be flushed down the toilet or poured down the drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product reaches its expiration date or is no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.